Good morning. Another video to educate you on think carefully before you buy a bird, especially those in a parrot family. I had this vacuum yesterday, and the cage right here, it's these. Oh, you want to be in the video too, Francine? I'm sorry, Mommy missed you. But it's these budgies right here. They sit in their food dish and they literally kick all their food to the ground. I have to replace their ladders because the budgies literally chew them and they won't stay on the stand. And I'll do a finished product later on. And of course that's Snow. And you know Francine. But even though these birds are small, they are a lot of work. You really have to have patience and pick a bird out because you like their personality. You don't necessarily have to go by color. So any comments, please put them in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video and have a good day.